Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel. Sharing with all of you 10-minute morning yoga practice to boost your energy levels. Perfect for days when you're short on time and you want to start your day with yoga. So let's start right away. Sit straight. Sitting in a cross-legged position, how I am sitting. If this is not comfortable, you can always take one leg out. So sit in the most comfortable position, resting your hands on your knees, and let's close our eyes for a few seconds. So close your eyes. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your spine is long. And just let your thoughts settle in. And let's take 3 deep breaths, helping you to relax and getting your focus for your practice today. So just breathe in through your nose, take a deep breath in, and breathe out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose, take a deep breath in, and breathe out, exhale longer. One more time, breathe in through your nose, take a deep breath in, and breathe out, exhale longer than your inhalation. Take a pause, and then you gently open your eyes, and let's continue with our practice. Okay, so you're going to sit in this position. Your legs are bent, your arms are back, palms facing down, fingers are wide open. Gently pressing into your palms, take your head back. Let's take a gentle back bend to start this practice. So just lift your heart, press into your palms, breathe. Let your shoulders relax, down and back, breathe. Slowly get your spine to neutral position, and now just moving your legs like this, windshield wiper, just getting some mobility in your body. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, come back to the center, and we are going to do sitting pigeon. So now let your left foot be grounded on the mat. Lift your right leg up, resting your right heel on top of your left knee. Now you can adjust the space between your left heel and your left hip. So just adjust wherever you feel most comfortable, and just drop your right knee down. Breathe, opening your fingers wide. Breathe. And if you feel comfortable, see if you can lift your hips up. Keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your hips down, and let's switch sides. So resting your right foot down, lifting your left leg up, resting your left heel on top of your right knee, gently pressing into your palms, dropping your left knee down. Breathe. And if you're comfortable, see if you can lift your hips up. Breathe. You can take your head slightly back, keep breathing, or look straight ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly resting your hips down, and let's take a butterfly stretch now. So joining your feet together like this, okay? And just moving your legs up and down, opening your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then drop it down. Lengthen your spine. Breathe in. Breathe out. Gently go forward. Go as far as your lower back is allowing you, and release your hands. Stretch your arms forward. Let your neck and shoulders relax. Breathe. Stay with your breath. One more breath. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Slowly take your arms in. Take your arms up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Arms down. Now extend your left leg forward and take your right leg over left leg. So I'm going to show you the side view. Right foot is grounded. Sitting straight. Take your left arm up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hug your right leg in with your left arm and twist to your right, drawing your right shoulder back. Breathe. Stay here. for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to the center and release this right leg and lift it up like this. So maybe your leg is fully extended, maybe it's not, so depend on how tight your hamstrings are right now. So don't worry, just go for the maximum you can do now and just hold it from anywhere. Maybe your shin, maybe your ankle, maybe your toes. Sit straight, breathe for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your right leg, rest it down and switch side now. So left over right, take your right arm up, breathe in, breathe out, hug your left leg in with your right arm, draw your left shoulder back, twist to your left, breathe, stay here, gently pressing into your left fingertips, lift your heart, draw your left shoulder back, keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, breathe out, come back to the center, release your left leg and let's go for our hamstring release. Hold it from wherever it's accessible right now and sit straight, breathe, relax your shoulders, get your left leg closer to your body as much as you can for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently bend your left leg, release and let's come on all four position now. So fingers wide open, wrist is underneath your shoulders, wrist shoulder width apart, knees underneath your hips, knees are hip width apart. Let's do 3 rounds of cat and cow. So just drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. So really good and energizing for your lower back and your spine. One more, breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Getting your spine to neutral position, gently pressing into your palms. We are going to go in downward dog. So tuck your toes, knees up, hips up, push your hips back. Pushing your torso towards your legs, widen your collarbone, breathe. Press into your left heel, lift your right leg up, breathe in. Breathe out, step your right leg forward in, high lunge. Right knee is on top of your right ankle. Use the strength of your legs and core to come up, taking your arms by the side of your ears. Lengthen through your spine, breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, step your left leg forward and we're going to get into standing pigeon from here. So taking your right heel on top of your left knee, taking your hips back and down, flex your toes for your right foot, arms up by the side of your ears, lengthen your spine, breathe, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, rest your right foot back on the mat, arms up, breathe in, breathe out, fold forward, releasing your hamstrings. If your hands are not reaching all the way on the mat, that's fine. You can always bend your legs and rest it down. And then from here, take your right leg back, left leg back, plank. Knees, chest, chin down, breathe out, breathe in cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Pressing into your right heel now, we're going to go on the left side. Lift your left leg up, breathe in. Breathe out, swing your left leg forward, high lunge on the left side. So left knee on top of your left ankle, arms up, breathe in. Lengthen your spine, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step your right leg forward and we are going to get into standing pigeon now. So taking your left heel on top of your right knee this time, take your hips back and down, arms by the side of your ears, lengthen your spine. Keep breathing. This time we are working on the left side of your hip. Keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, resting your left foot back on the mat, arms up, breathe in, Breathe out, fold forward. Taking your left leg back, right leg back, plank. Knees, chest, chin down. Breathe out. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, step your right leg forward. Breathe out, left leg forward. Lower down your hips, squat. Malasana, garland pose. Really good for releasing your tight hips. Very energizing pose, must do every day. Pressing into your palms, pushing your knees out with your elbows. Or you can always rest your hands down if this is more comfortable for you. Stay here, keep breathing for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release slowly, sitting in a cross-legged position. Ending the practice with one pranama practice, Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Sit straight, take your right hand, right thumb and pinky finger out. Rest your right thumb on the right side of your nostril, breathing in through the left. Close the left, breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right, breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left, breathe out through your right. One more, breathing in through your right, breathe out through your left. Release your hand, resting your hands back on your knees, joining your index finger and your thumb, Gyan Mudra, sitting straight, breathe. Just take a moment to observe how you feel now, especially as compared to when you started your practice today, building in some practice of awareness through yoga, which you can take it even beyond your practice. So just build the connection with yourself, get aware of yourself. Think what kind of day you want to have today. If you want to tell yourself anything positive, if you want to visualize what kind of day you want to have today, if you want to have one focus for your day ahead, take a moment to just align yourself for your day today. And if you're ready to end the practice, gently rub your palms and feeling the warmth of your palms, taking in everything positive you experienced today back in your body and mind, resting your palms on your eyes, on your face, on your shoulders, on your whole body. Gently taking your hands back at the heart center, breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Close your mouth, open your eyes. Namaste. We are done with our practice for today. I hope you enjoyed this short, quick yoga session to boost your energy levels. I have tons of these videos on my yoga channel. Subscribe to my yoga channel and get updates on all my new videos. Thank you so much. Namaste. Hi there, thank you for participating in the 7-day Beginner Yoga Challenge. I'm so glad to see you. If you would like to do more today, you can do guided meditation practice or you can do some breathing exercises. And don't forget to click on the button below to subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on my new videos. Thank you and see you soon. Namaste.